Hey, good morning. This is Dave with Excursion America. It's about 9 after 7. I'm here at the Haw River, the Robeson Canoe launch access. Today we have some beef livers, and we also have some nice night crawlers, and I brought a lure. I've got 3 rods. Shoulder's still bothering me. I don't know how many casts I'll take with the artificials, but we should catch some nice catfish today. It's supposed to be reaching around 100 degrees. So we're going to fish till about lunchtime or so, most likely. Head on home. Just have a great trip. Yeah, a nice little channel cat here this morning on the Haw River. Adios, pal. Another nice little channel cat. Not too bad. This one's on the night crawlers. Maybe about 10-11 inches long. Let's get them back. All right, we got catfish number 2. He just stuck me. Got me right there, but that's all right. A little bit smaller than the last one. Pretty little fish. See the forked tail? It's a channel. Alright folks, the liver started to defrost a little bit, so it's coming off the hook fairly easily. So what I did was take about a 10-inch piece of fishing line and just wrapped it up a bunch and tied it on, and it looks like it's going to stay on there fantastic now. So let's catch some fish now. Man, they just keep getting smaller. I switched up. This is the night crawler. I put it on a bobber. He's only about 6 or 7 inches long. Adios, pal. This one on the night crawler on the bobber. He's probably about 12 inches long. Nice fish. Oh, climbing up the hill. About 12 inches long. Not getting very big ones at all today, but hey, I'm not complaining. Starting to rain. It was supposed to be 100 today. This is awesome. All right, team. We've got a little small hook, a little piece of worm. Let's do some fun fishing and catch some sunfish. We already lost a couple big ones in the tree. Let's tear it up. Finish out strong. All right, way to mix it up. Small hook, small fish. We could use it for bait, but I'm not going to stay but another 20 minutes or so, if that. So we're going to let this guy go. Pretty little fish, isn't it? Check him out. Yeah, look at the colors on this sunfish. What a gorgeous fish. Look at the blue. Look at the turquoise under the eye. I used to have these sunfish from Haw River right here in my tank about 10 years ago. Yeah, it looks like we got a regular bluegill this time. See the ear? It's not long like this red-breasted sunfish. Nice little fish. Beautiful. The colors. Let's get them back. Pretty fish. Very nice. Beautiful colors in that. We'll check him out and let him go. And another pretty little bluegill. This one's smaller, but they're tearing his little worms up. Let's get the hook out and get them back. See these little ones right here, about 3.5 inches long. Really beautiful fish in the lights. What a beautiful fish. These are like these ones I used to have in my aquarium I got here about 10 years ago. Had them in a 30-gallon tank. Look at the orange on the fins down there. What a beautiful fish. And when you put them in a tank with the fluorescent lights, they just glow like tropical fish or cichlids. Let's get them back. Look at that orange in that. Gorgeous. Alright team, I appreciate you tuning in to this episode. Came down here to the Haw River today for a few hours. We didn't catch any big fish. We tried. We used beef livers. We had 2 good bites. I didn't hook nothing. We caught a bunch on small channel cats on the beef livers. We caught some channel cats on the bobber and the night crawler, and we also caught some beautiful sunfish. Stay tuned. Probably got some episodes coming. Maybe this weekend or next week. It gets real busy on the weekends, so I don't usually like to go on the weekends during the summer. I hope y'all have a fantastic week. You're welcome to subscribe. Take care.